Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the app color when iOS 18 is out. Alright, this is quite simple because if you hold an app with your finger, you have the option Edit Home Screen, Share App, Require Face ID. And right now if you tap on Edit Home Screen, you will see this screen. You maybe already recognize the screen, but when we tap from here on Edit and we go to Customize, we have the option under a screen that looks like this. Right now we can do light, dark, automatic, but if we do tint, we can select the color that we will give our apps. So right now if you hold our finger on this color, we can give the apps the color that we like. Now I like something orange or red. Now if I do something like this and then now click on my screen, we just give all our apps the color red. Alright, this is how it works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.